video, I'm going to show you a DIY holiday box. For me, and probably a lot of you guys, is the Easter holidays. So that means you might or might not be going on holiday. If you are, then this DIY is perfect for you. So I'm going to show you what the holiday box is up close and personal so that you can see what it's all about. So basically the holiday box is, well, basically everything you need for a holiday, but in one shoebox. So you only need to carry one thing. As you can see, I've used a Caramore shoebox. I put everything inside that I need for my holiday, so that it's very small and compact, but it's very helpful so that you don't need to bring bags and bags of just random stuff. You can see it goes really down deep, so I'm going to show you what I put inside. So that is what the holiday box is, and now I'm going to tell you how to make it. How to make it is pretty simple. It's basically just everything you need on holiday in one simple box, so that you can bring everything in one, and the only other thing you need to bring is a coat. So I hope you guys like this idea. I'm going to show you what's inside my holiday box, so if you're stuck for ideas, then you can use some of mine. So here's my holiday box. As you can see, it digs down so deep. I put so much stuff in here. I'm going to show you everything I put in my holiday box, so we're just going to get through this quickly. The first thing is a really cute carrot stress ball. You might have seen it in some of my videos. You can squish it and it molds its shape, and I put this in there just in case I was bored on holiday or if it was out, so I really like this. The next thing is some tangle spray for my hair, because my hair gets very knotty and tangly. So if you spray a few sprays of this, as you can see it has hairs on it, you can spray it and it'll go less tangly. The next thing is some earphones. This is an essential for me. I love my earphones, so I put a pair of these in just the small ones. So yeah. The next thing is a kazoo. You might not know what it is. It's just an instrument for my room tour. It makes a horrible noise, really. The next thing is a spare container, just for anything very handy. The next thing is 2 bouncy balls. This is just a novelty, just for fun. I really like bouncy balls, so I put these in the box as well. The next thing is rubber and sharpener. The next thing is some Glacier slime. I added some foam balls as well. This is a must. A bookmark, aka one of those things you get in a paint shop. The next thing is a really handy colouring book that folds up. It's actually called a travel set. Comes with pencils, and it's just a really cute, colouring book. I really like it. And then you can just closing it up. And it also comes with elastics. That's quite cool. The next thing is a metal slinky that you can do down the stairs, so I really like this as well. The next thing is a razor sling pen. The next thing is a hair comb, which is a must. Some pens and pencils, a ruler, another spare container, one of these really cool jumpy things. I don't know what they're called. Some of them have like a face, as you can see I zoomed in on it, and then you press it down and it jumps up. This is really cool. Some hair ties and bands, a lip balm. Okay, the next thing is a notebook. I actually made it, very handy. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I really hope this comes in helpful, so that you don't have to bring in bags of random stuff. You can just bring in one shoebox, and then all you need to bring separately is like a coat. So I really hope this comes in helpful if you're going on holiday, or even if you're just going away for a day. I really hope this helps. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what videos you want to see. I think that's it, so peace.